And all of this is thanks to software engineering. But first of all, hello everyone, I'm Jaume. I'm a 25-year-old software engineer from Mallorca, Spain. And today I'm here to share with you how I got into software engineering and talk a little bit about my career and how I'm starting my software company. My journey in coding started when I was at uni. A friend of mine was studying computer science in the States, and he was like, yeah dude, you should try it, and I did. At the beginning it was kind of a hobby, but at the end of a couple months I really enjoyed coding and solving the problems. After that I didn't pay too much attention to coding, but after quitting my job, I was working in a bank. I started working for a friend. He was the one giving me the opportunity to learn how to code properly. He was teaching me. He was my senior. Before quitting my job, I was coding every now and then, but not in any consistency that I'm proud of. I was coding maybe like 2 days a week, something like that, maybe for an hour. So I was not going anywhere with that. Looking back, and I know it's really easy saying it from this point of my career, I would approach learning to code in a really different way. I would focus way more on quality instead of quantity of videos, of documentation, or whatever. I would focus more on quality and execution. Because I know at the beginning it's scary to start your own project. It can be a simple one, maybe a to-do list or something like that. You feel overwhelmed, okay, you have watched 3 tutorials, now you have to do your own. You have to be able to transform an idea into something real, into a project. Translate your thoughts into code. And this is how you are gonna improve. It doesn't matter if you are just starting or maybe even if you are a senior developer. You need to transform your ideas into code. Let's go for a coffee. For all of those who want to accelerate this process and get provided with resources that would have been great for me, imparted by great professionals in the field like Tech with Tim. And by the way, his content was one of the first I was looking for on YouTube when I started coding. CourseCareers and we have something special for you. For those who want to break into tech and land their first job as a software engineer, I introduce you to the Software Development Fundamental course hosted by CourseCareers. In this course, you will see everything needed to land your first job. Throughout the course, they prepare you to ace the potential job interviews you will have upon completion, and all of it will be structured and in a dynamic manner. Some of the concepts you will see is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript module. Then you will see React, Git, and GitHub, algorithms and data structures that are really, really important on the interview process, problem-solving skills, and software design. And at the end of all of it, you will have to make a final project that will be reviewed by software engineers to see if that's a good fit for you and the way they teach is the one that fits your needs. You have a free introduction course. For more information, you can check the first link in the description and let me know if you enjoy it. Thanks CourseCareers for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to my journey. Then I moved to a digital agency where we were building MVPs for some small business, some startups, and also landing pages. For me, that was the point where I knew what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. It was software because it gives you so many opportunities, it gives you so many ways of doing what you like. You can focus on back end, on front end, you can be full stack. It was a really, really cool phase of my life. After that, I moved to a company from Boston. It was an IT consultancy and we worked for huge clients. We were working for some insurance companies, even language companies, like they are in, I don't know, plus 120 countries, so they are huge. I think that was the most rich phase of my career in terms of learning. My coworkers they knew a lot. I learned a lot from them. I went to Madrid here. I'm in sunny Madrid. It's a PropTech startup. The issue they were facing, it was huge spikes on traffic and they need to optimize and refactor their code so it can scale better. And that's what I did in that position. During all that process that I've mentioned, the vast majority of internal tools that I've seen were not great, and I want to fix that. I think that if we have the right tools and they are nice to use, you will use it better, you will get better results, and at the end of the day, that's what all business wants. So that's where we are putting our focus on building internal tools, on to create internal tools that really are easy to use, nice to use, with good user experience that delivers results for the businesses. To sum up my journey from a business student to software engineer, it was not a straight line, but I think that with the right focus and the right resources, your path could be way faster than mine.